Hello everyone. We had an HP laptop come in today, and the issue with this computer was that it takes a very long time to boot. So let's go ahead and turn it on and take a look and see how long it takes to boot. Yeah, it's definitely taking a little bit longer than usual. So the customer had mentioned that it takes approximately 8 minutes for it to boot up, and once it's booted up, it takes about 5 minutes for it to do anything that the customer is asking it to do. So let's get started. Let's run some diagnostics on here and see what happens. So after running some diagnostics on this computer, it turns out that the hard drive actually failed a couple of tests. It failed a smart test and a linear read test. So let's go ahead and open up this computer, take a look and see what kind of hard drive's in here, and make appropriate repairs. So I've already removed all the screws to make this a little bit easier. On this particular model, they hide some of the screws under this rubber foot, so I had to remove this rubber foot, and there was 4 screws under it. In addition, they also hid 1 screw in the middle right under this rubber foot as well. So let's get this cover up. There we go. Let's locate the hard drive. Hard drive is right there. So this is a mechanical drive. So essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to replace that with the solid state drive. Got this bad drive out, and we're going to be replacing it with this solid state hard drive. This is a Samsung Evo 870 500 GB hard drive. So this is going to be our new drive. So let me get this installed on the computer and we'll show you how it looks. Here we are. Now it's installed in the computer. Got it connected to the SATA connector right there. Got it mounted right there and there. So I'm going to go ahead and close up this computer and let's get started with the Windows 11 installation. So here we are. I'm on the next step. I'm installing Windows 11 on this computer now. So once this process completes, we'll go ahead and proceed with Windows updates and getting all the drivers installed. I just finished installing all the Windows updates and drivers. So I'm now on the final step, which is migrating data from the bad drive back onto the computer. Once this process completes, we will then be done with this service ticket.